welcome to Shah Sister Vlogs. I am Pooja Shah
and I am Khushi Shah.
Welcome back to our channel. So guys, as you all know that summer has arrived and we all want to wear comfortable and colorful clothes. So in this video we have shown so many colorful dresses. So stay tuned with the endless.
No. Before moving further into the video, we shall talk about the current situation which is going on, which is coronavirus. So I hope that you all are good, following the rules and
staying at home. So be happy and let's go into the video. guys, we hope you like the video and जिन्होंने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करें and hit the bell icon and give the big thumbs up to our video. guys, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं अभी लॉकडाउन चल रहा है और लॉकडाउन खत्म होने के बाद भी हमें मास्क पहनना जरूरी है. जब भी आप घर से निकले किसी भी आउटफिट पे आप मास्क कैरी करें और प्लीज do wear the mask.
And so, let me know that which outfit did you like in the comment section. So thank you for watching our video.
Bye bye.